I'm going to hmm. So this is your transaction analysis, the most important part of your OB. This is the part of your unit second, I think. Okay. So already discussed with Deepshi. I'm just going to again some important things in the unit transaction analysis. So before we start the process, what is the we have to understand what is the transaction analysis, what is that. So just playing this. This is the introduction part. This is the most important part of the study of human behavior. Is very complex and complicated concept. So we have to understand the human behavior because human behavior is very complex. So we have to understand the what kind of human behavior because different people have different opinion, different personality, and okay, different views. So it is affected by the psychological factors such as perception, learning, personality, and the motivation. In addition to these factors, individual behavior affect and affected by the behavior of the others. So always affect one personality to affect to other personality. This is the affect to other personality. So that's the reason for to understand this transaction analysis. One of the major problem in the study of transaction behavior is to analyze and improve the interpersonal relationship. One basic approach to study interpersonal relationship in the organization system is called transaction analysis. Okay. The first is the transaction analysis. It was introduced by the Eric Brin. The picture you can see. Okay. The transaction analysis. The Eric Brin. He was the just developed this theory. The Eric Brin. The most important part of this your organization behavior because what is the organization behavior? Simple it is we have to understand behavior of the organization. So this is the part of the transactional analysis. So this is by the Eric Bain. You can check it this photo. Okay, transaction analysis is the technique used to help people better understand their own and others' behavior. So it's simple to understand the behavior, and especially in the interpersonal behavior. So this is the interpersonal behavior. It is good method for understanding interpersonal behavior. There is a primarily we concern there is a three types three way to understand the transaction analysis. The first one is your second and the third. The first one is analysis of self awareness, analysis of ego state, and analysis of life positioning. Okay, so this is the three way to attend this one. So next is the first is your analysis of self awareness. So we know better case analysis of self awareness. We are talking about your interpersonal relation between. So this is the developed by Zohari Window. Okay, so Zohari Window, how the name of just comprise. So this is the two author developed by two author Joseph Luft and the Harrington. 1955 had developed a diagram to look at the one personality including behavior and the attitude that can be known and unknown to self. Simple it is. And known to unknown to others. So this develop the four parts. It comprising of the four parts. So this is the your first is analysis of self awareness. So the Johari window is a psychological tools created by Joseph Luft and the Harry Rung in the 1955. It is simple tools you understand the training. First is self awareness, personal development, improving communication, interpersonal relationship, grouping dynamics, team development, and intergroup relationship. The formation of the Johari window. So simple it is Joseph Luft and the Henry Ingram combined their first name Jo and Harry. This is called Johari. As name it is model as Johari. Okay. In the early publication what appears Johari, but now it is called Zohari. The four parts. So this is the four parts of your Zohari window. The first is your open area, hidden area, blind area, and the unknown area. Okay. This if you know that the four parts. Okay. If you know this one, the first one, not known to others. The person is known to self. Not known to others, but person is known to self. This is called your okay. Not known to others, but known to self. This is hidden. Known to others and known to self is open. Similarly, kind of blind and the unknown area. So this is the four parts of the Johari window. The first is open self arena. You can check it in this information about the person, his attitude, behavior, emotions, feelings, skills, and the view will be known by person as well as by others. This is mainly the area where the all communication occurs, and the larger the arena becomes the more effectual and the dynamic in the relationship. This is second was hidden. So in this information that is known to you but will be kept unknown from the others. This can be any personal information which you feel reluctant to reveal. So this is kind of your personal include feelings, past experience, fear, and secret. Third one is blind spot. The person is a blind spot. So simple as yourself. The information about yourself that others know in a group, but you will be unaware of it. Blind spot. This is person unknown to self and unknown to others also. This kind of blind spot. In this, the information which are unaware to yourself as well as others. This include the information, feeling, capabilities, talent. This can be due to traumatic past experience or event which can be unknown for the life. This is done. So this is your unknown. But the analysis of the Zohri window, we can see the four quadrant in the talking about the four quadrant, how to reduce it. So first one is how to increase the open area and how to reduce the blind area and how to reduce the hidden area and how to reduce the unknown area. So simply it is how to increase the open area. Great understanding between oneself and others, and that person is believe you that I am the known to others and known to self. That is called your this one. The blind area that is called knowing by self from others perspective with others assistance. These are the methods. These are the technique methods. Reduce hidden area, making yourself known to others. Reduce unknown area, unknown by the self and the others. Okay, so these are the immediate effect for the increase open area, the increase immediate effect to great understanding between oneself and the other. That is the this one. To understand how people are alike and how we differ, that learning to appreciate the difference between the people. This is called all things, all detail. These are the conclusion of that Zohri window. Simple it is. The Zohri window is perceptual model of the self-awareness and the mutual understanding. This model divides information about values, belief, and the experience into four windows: open, blind, hidden, and unknown. The open area include information that is known to self and other. The blind area is information that is known to self but is known to self. The hidden area include information that is known to self but unknown to others. And the unknown area is information that is known to self and others. The main objective of the Johari window is to increase the size of the open area and to bring awareness to the perceptual limits within the group. So this is the overall your conclusion of the Zohri window. The second one stays. We are talking about the second one stays. Your the first one is your. So we are talking. So we can see in the picture the transaction analysis. So your first one is your complete. Okay, this is your complete analysis self by the Zohari window. Zohari window. The next one analysis of the ego states. We are talking about the ego states. So this is the ego states. Hmm. So this is the ego state. Ego state means this is the entire system of thoughts, feeling, and behavior from which we interact with the another. So we always interact with the another. Simple it is. We in this world we interact with the three type of people always. Okay, the parents, adult, and the child. So there is a types of the ego state is your adult, sorry, parents, adult, and the child. Okay. So these are the main foundation of the transaction analysis theory. Ego states are the consistent pattern of thinking, feeling, and behavior. So first we have to understand one by one. Okay, so one, two, three. So the introduction part of us each ego state is a separate and distinct, a different source of the behavior. The first one, everyone has three ego states based on their childhood experience and the role model. The three ego states are parent ego state or they should ego state, the adult ego state, compute this personality and child ego state makes you feel like you did when you. So this is the main three concept of your ego states. So one by one we will discuss it. The types of ego, the first one is your adult, child and parents. So this person have like parents, we are talking about the parents. So behavior, thoughts and the feeling copied from the parents or the parental. The child, so behavioral thoughts and the feeling replaced from the child and the adult is the middle one. So one by one we will discuss it. Parents ego state, simple it is thought, feeling, attitude, behavior based on lesson learned from the parents and the other parental sources. So always we kind of our parents, okay, so this what kind of behavior they have. So simple, they are supportive in nature, encouraging, judgmental type, nurturing, and critical manners. So this is your parents ego state. This was the case study. You can also read it. Bob was the leader of his group of friends, and it was he who always set the time that they should meet, where they should go, what they should do. He often shook his finger at his friend. Repeatedly, people in his circle of the friend eventually got fed up of the him, and many left of the group. This is kind of that means the he should do. What kind of should? What kind of behavior they should? Okay, this is. Also, this is the one of the other case study. By the help of the case study, you can just analyze the your parents ego. So next one is your adult ego. Adult is kind of person always just fact logically, always think. Okay, so think as a logically. Childhood emotion. Okay, so whatever changes, they always require the changes. This one is the case study again. Kindly read it. This case study. Kirti, I hope you are reading this case history.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kindly invite to Adit also.
कॉल पे ही है सर आदित्य भी.
Okay. Okay, so this is the case study of your adult ego state. Okay, so parents is done, your adult is done. Now the last one is your child ego state. So what you also know about, so what kind of behavior that your child simple is always playful, selfish, playful, affectionate, winning, manipulation, curious, pleasing, cooking. So these are the all behaviors. So we should know about the three types of the behavior, the ego state in our world: parents, adult, and child. So how we can understand the three things: to parents, parents to child, parents to um, adult. So this kind of behavior. Okay, again the case study, the short case study, simple, you can read the short one. Fiona, when a small girl could get her father to do anything she really wanted. Indeed, as she grew up, she was very good at managing to get men to do what she wanted. Later, she was fired from several jobs by her boss, who said they felt she was manipulating them. So, what kind of behavior is? Okay, you can judge it. So, this is the all things about the child parent's ego. I have playing some one video. I'm just playing one video. You can also observe. Adit, are you here? Adit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So Adi, already we have discussed your the three types of ego state: parents, child, and your adult. Okay. So because of this, I'm just playing one video. So I think so you can understand the from this video. It is a good one video for how the one parents interact with the child and the adult. Because in this world, we always interact with only these three people: parents, child, and okay. So this is, I'm just playing this video, you just observe it. Okay. So I hope you all people can understand there are the three types of the your transaction analysis. We have to understand the parents. So can you observe it from what do you observe from this video? Kirti and Adit, are you here, people? The both of guys. Hello. Hello. Uh, Okay, so basically these are the you can see in this picture. Okay, so the senior people how they treat and the junior people how they treat it. Okay, so no problem. So this is the okay the relationship between. Okay, so the next one is your if you're talking about. Okay, so next if you're talking, yeah, the life position. So in we have only three kind of four kind of life position. I'm okay, you are okay, I'm okay, but you are not okay. I'm not okay, but you are okay, and I'm okay, you are not okay. So this is kind of okay. So this is the four types of your life positioning. Okay, I'm okay, you are not okay. Okay, so it's appears to be ideal life situation. I'm okay, you are okay. That is a good one. Ideal situation of the any kind of life situation. Have confidence in themselves. What that mean? Just build the trust and the confidence. I'm okay, but you are not okay. Okay, this is the distrust psychological position. I'm not okay, but you are okay. This is kind of the common positions. Feel powerless. You are okay, but I'm not okay. But both situation, I'm not okay, you are not okay. This is also kind of the okay. So this is kind of the situation. Thank you. So from my side, is it done? Okay, so already we have discussed your the transaction analysis. Okay, people, can you understand? I hope you all, Kirti. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So up video be already you have people watched this video.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is I think so. This types of the your transaction analysis. Okay. So
Hello.
hello. Yes, Adit.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Adit. Yes. Can you
Hello.
hear me?
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Yes, Adit. Okay. So you can see this all things. So primarily, so we have covered three things. Okay. Your analysis of the ego states also. Okay. And the analysis of the life position. Okay. Okay and not okay. Well, this is kind of your parents, child, adult.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Adit. Hello. Can you hear me, Adit?
Hello.
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 Oh.